Welcome. Today, I'll walk you through a simple updated process to enable Stories and Discover notifications on Snapchat. If you want to stay updated with your favorite stories right from your phone notifications, follow these easy steps. First, go to your phone settings. This is where you can control how apps send you notifications and what kind of alerts you receive. Next, tap on Apps, which will show you a list of all the apps installed on your device. Find and tap on Snapchat from that app list. This opens the app-specific settings. Then, tap on Notifications within the Snapchat settings. This will let you manage what kinds of Snapchat alerts you get. Now, look for notification categories or something similar. This is where Snapchat breaks down notifications into different types you can toggle individually. Under the section called Public Content, you'll see an option named Stories in Discover. This is specifically for notifications about stories featured in the Discover section of Snapchat. Simply toggle this option on, and you're all set. Once enabled, your phone will alert you whenever there are new stories in Discover, so you won't miss any interesting updates or content. This method ensures you get timely notifications directly from your phone's settings, helping you keep up with Snapchat stories without needing to check the app constantly. That's it. Just remember that these steps may slightly vary depending on your phone model or Android iOS version, but they generally follow the same pattern. By customizing your notification preferences this way, you can enjoy Snapchat stories right from your notification panel, making your social media experience even smoother and more engaging.